I'm now in Split, and in roughly 1 hour I will go. Ideme my dva. Where's my fucking camera, bro? My friend's already inside, so let's join him, right? Hopefully I will not slip. You can basically not see. Other than that, the clarity of the water is definitely like, oh wow.
Let's go.
My god. No, ja tam skočím, vieš, aby som dopadol nohy.
Hej, však aj tu sú, ale to bude pohode, však to je úplne podľa mňa nič, vieš.
For jumpers who are watching this video, this is probably nothing for you, but I've never jumped from a cliff like this.
Kámo, ja som taký, že sa bojím, že skočím na chrbát alebo tak. Okay, this is going on the lower point. A tak to sú tak 2 metre.
Oh, som sa skočiť, fakt. Fakt som sa skočil.
Mám ísť? Daj, ja pôjdem. Jak chceš, ja pôjdem. Daj, ja pôjdem prvý. Poďme. Let's go, Lukáš! Jak koriť.
Higher level, probably like 8 meters. Okay, go. 3, 2, 1. To ľahko hovorí mne. Ešte to obskýke proste, to obskýke.
Nemám už taký strach, vás to chce tak užiť.
Good luck, because I would never be able to.
Bože.
Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, okay, už radšej skoč, lebo to si... Okay, let's go. Michael, what do you think of this day?
We tried... A neviem, čo mám povedať.
Good morning. This is the day 2. This is the bus stop, the bus station. It's like 1 minute walk from the accommodation. Let's try to find the bus and let's embark it. So it was not actually the bus station we were going from, but it shouldn't be like too far. How was it? I mean, I'm curious.
It was great feeling. A part of the... When I jumped in the water, čo mám povedať? Takže narazil som.
Hit.
Aha. Kick. Dobre, ešte raz.
Tak Ježimu som tak dal. Takto. And yep, it was a very nice day. So yep, hopefully tomorrow we'll also enjoy. And yep, so that's probably going to be it. And hopefully you had a good time as well. And yep, see you tomorrow. Čo?
Tak, 5-krát povedal, že idem.
Vystrihnem všetko. Look at the shape of those mountains. I mean, it's quite interesting. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed, and in case I was able to motivate you to visit this island, then I'm happy. 3 days and 3 different types of 3 days and 3 different types of transportation. But yeah, I mean, that's probably going to be it. So hopefully you enjoyed. Maybe we'll see each other, and maybe I'll see you on my next trip, which I don't know when it will take, but yeah, you'll be definitely notified if you click the bell button.